If I never felt this love, I would have no inkling of how precious life can be. If I never held you, I would never have a clue how at last I'd find in you the missing part of me. In this world so full of fear, full of rage and lies, I can see the truth so clear in your eyes. So dry your eyes, and I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through, lost forever, if I never knew
I thought our love would be so beautiful. Somehow we'd make the whole world bright. I never knew that fear and hate could be so strong. All they'd leave us were these whispers in the night. But still my heart is saying we were right. For if I never knew
there's no
you,
moment
if
I regret
never knew
since the
this
moment
love,
that
I would
we
have
met.
no
If our
inkling
time
of
has
how
gone
precious
too
life
fast,
can
I've lived at
be.
last. And I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through, empty as the sky.